worth adjusting the seat forward a little just to reduce the distance. I just feel a little more comfortable. And this happens with a new bike. You are basically in a period of adjustment. The more you ride it, the less time it is to get it right. I would say with my other e-bike that I got stolen, I was just starting to get my head around it, but this one's a better bike and I jumped on it. It felt like the right bike right away. Much different than the Cannondale. And the people who stole it are welcome to it. I have no use for it. Now, oh, there's a heron. Lots of herons. Herons always remind me of dinosaurs with feathers. So we're coming to the Pitt River now. The power lines up ahead are a bit of a thing for drones, planes, helicopters, anything. You don't know the terrain, so I'm not going to fly the drone until I'm past it. And then I'm going to get the drone up at a suitable point, usually at a bench, if there's any benches along here. Yeah, as I suspected, I don't really need much power along this route. And the good thing about this bike, it's a 10-speed, so it has lots of room for gears, which is what you want. It's quite warm, let's say low 20s. I could go a little faster, but generally when it's flat like this, it's okay to go the speed you want. And then when I get bored with going this slow, I'll turn on the power and then go from there. If I get tired, might not even get tired on this route. Still around the golf course, I think. Yep. And once we're past these pylons up ahead, might get the drone up for a run. Since we're pretty obstacle free. So I crashed my drone back in March. Had to send it off to Toronto yet again. Hello. It's good to say hello to the fellow trail users. I don't see any bear poo, which is good. Only a few deer. But I bought some water and probably don't have enough given how warm it is here right now. So the interesting thing about this lake is it's actually a freshwater tidal lake. I believe one of the biggest in North America. So it's connected to the Fraser River. The Pitt River runs out of the lake into the Fraser, and the Fraser is tidal still at that point. And so there is a bit of a height change in the river. I'm not sure, not much. but it's definitely navigable. If I find a bench, I'll get the drone up. Otherwise I'm going to put the bike on the floor, which I don't like to do. So I had a kickstand, which got stolen with the other bike. So this is a brand new trail for me. I've never been up here. Been up here many times driving. Never brought a bike up here. So I can find something to lean against till get the drone going, or just lean against myself. A waterfall up there on the mountain, another smaller quarry there. That's a bit of either dog poo or deer, I'm not sure. There's lots of animal life around. One thing you got to watch out for in long grass apparently is ticks. Don't know how fast they are, but definitely watch out for bugs smacking you in the face. Keep your mouth closed as much as possible when you're yammering on about nothing in particular. It's a lovely day, not too hot yet. It will be probably in a couple of weeks, so I'm doing it now. Plus most of the foliage on the trees is out, which is helpful when you're flying a drone with sensors. That way the sensors can see the tree, and that was my problem back in the middle of March, is that the drone didn't like what it saw, tried to go around and then got caught, and then that was a snake that I just ran over. Sorry snake, got the front wheel over but not the back. And got grass snakes are very common here. I don't want to go back and see what I did to it. Sorry, snake. I think I killed you. Not like worms where you can cut them in half. In fact, you don't think you can do that with worms either, but just a legend that we grew up with as kids. Alright. Go for the snakes. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't bring my back thing for my backside camera, which usually catches the drone, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to go without it. I know there's